Hey you guys, good morning. What's good? Y'all see me here whipping it. Meal prepping for Anthony because he needs it. So I figured I'd get up, take Ann off to school, and then just cook some stuff for dinner and lunch, maybe 25-30 minutes. And I was able to make 4 full, complete grown man meals, so it doesn't take very long. So got that out the way, and I'm gonna make me a smoothie, I think. As you guys can see, I'm still in the old condo. We haven't left yet because our new house is still under construction. It's kind of a hot mess, but things are moving along. The guys are coming today to paint. Last night, my dad and Anthony went over to the house to patch up the drywall because we had snatched those intercom units out. I took you guys' advice. A lot of you had commented on that video saying that we should at least just update the system, and so that's what we ended up doing. Actually, Anthony and my dad wanted to do that, so I was like, okay, fine. So we found like these video monitor things to install for the doorbell and then use in the master bedroom, the kitchen, and the basement. So we're not gonna have it in every single room because honestly, if someone rings my door and I have guests in the guest room, I don't really need the guests being able to access and see who's ringing the doorbell. Like, you don't need to even do that. Go back to bed. So I just got it in the main rooms that makes most sense for us. So we got those. I'm also probably going to go over to Hobo's today and go ahead and make the purchases on the floor and the laundry room cabinets. Moving right along with a lot of progress on some of these renovations, so that's good. And on top of all of the things I just told you guys I had to do today, I also have an event tonight. It's not my event or anything, it's just that I am kind of committed to going. It's the Creme of Nature Color Crush in Chicago. I can't not go to that, you know. Creme of Nature is a company who I've worked with countless times. They have partnered with me on so many projects. They've supported me. We've done so many collaborations together, so I have to go, I feel like. So I'm gonna make it happen. I think I'm gonna take a couple of my friends with me because those Color Crush events are usually really, really nice, so I definitely want to go. So I gotta do my hair, you know what I'm saying? I gotta try to find something to wear. It's a lot going on today. That's why I'm really glad Ann is at school, because I'm like, dang, I would not be able to do all this with her like holding on to my leg and like begging for attention, you know? So I'm about to head out. Let me show y'all some of the progress so far in my laundry area. So I don't know if you guys remember those cabinets that were up here. We took those down and we took that sink out, and then there was a laundry chute from the master bathroom down to here, which is kind of an old school concept. I mean, some people still have them, but we don't really need anything like that just because, first of all, we don't really wash all of our laundry together. Everything is separated. So this would just create extra work for me to just have to separate everything after the fact. And also upstairs, they cut it off, and I don't know why they just kept it open down here. So my dad went ahead and sealed that off last night. Him and Anthony were up in here till like 4 o'clock in the morning last night doing all of this wall prep stuff. So good for them. And this is the closet in here that we've taken the shelving down and patched up some of the holes from the nails. I'm gonna turn this closet into like an overflow pantry. And so it's gonna have some hanging space for like coats and stuff, but it's also gonna have some shelving so that I can just kind of organize some of the kitchen things, because I just feel like otherwise this closet is just gonna be a waste. I got some cabinets and a sink picked out, so I'm just gonna go and purchase it. The cabinets that were in the laundry room are now sitting here because we have to figure out a way to dispose of them. I'm actually thinking about recycling those cabinets and putting them up in here somewhere, but we'll see. And I'm starting a pile right here of the stuff that I'm gonna be donating. So like some of the fixtures that are actually still in good shape, we just don't want them, so I'm gonna donate it. I'm showing you guys all this madness. Most people would not show you their house tore up like this, but I don't really care. I ordered some stools for in here. They got delivered. I'll show them to you guys later because I just want to keep them covered because there's so much dust and all that. But they're like these cute leather studded seats, and they're not too tall, but they're perfect height for this countertop. And I got some new wines already, you guys. I got subscribed to Wink. Got me some red wines to start off my wine bar setup here. So we got 4 bottles, about 60 to go. I want to have this thing filled up with lots of bottles. And this is my dad's tools and stuff here. Here we got some paper plates. We got some, just for like when we order food and we're just in here eating, but we're not like living like this, you guys. So don't worry, we're not living like savages. This is just for when we're here to let people in to do the work and all that. Now they're working on the stairs, so there's all of this plastic and shit hanging from the walls. It's just a hot mess up in here. So this is some of their materials, and they put down these sheets to kind of protect the floor a bit. But here's the staircase as it stands right now. It's all tore up. They got some of the balusters in up there. Those are wrought iron. I'm in love with those. Oh my gosh, I had to have them. And so they're working on the stain and all that. They got to finish working on the stairs here. These ones have been resurfaced and they're ready to be pretty much stained, but we're gonna hold off on that until the guys paint. But this is what it's looking like right now. I just love the balusters. They're so elegant. I'm just really excited about the finished product of these. So anyway, they're still installing these. They're not even all the way installed, so it's kind of just like they had to pause. But the carpet, it's going to be coming up, so we kind of already started that. This is where the intercom system was, so we took that out. Oh, this mess is giving me anxiety, but that's some of the drywall my dad was using for it. So we're gonna put in the new video intercom system, so that's gonna go there and whatnot. So it's kind of a mess. And I did purchase some lighting and stuff for the closet in here. I think I told you guys I want to put a chandelier up in there. So my dad told me I should get this ceiling medallion to kind of frame the chandelier, make it look nice. So I'm like, okay, that might be cool, give it an elegant appeal. And then this is the chandelier. It's like a pendant light. It's kind of like a halo. So it's crystal and it has like these invisible cords here that the thing suspends on. And I think that would be really cute. It's super bright, really, really bright, and it's LED, so it's gonna be like energy efficient, it's gonna last forever and all that. So we got this thing from Menards. Isn't it pretty? Love that. That's gonna be cute in there. And I didn't show you guys the rain shower. I showed it on Instagram, but this is what the rain shower system looks like. This is kind of how we would use it. We would have those things bursting out there. We would have the rain coming down here. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you, okay? Seeing this house all tore up like this, it's giving me anxiety. It is, because, you know, see all this stuff. I mean, you got walls busted in and you got crap everywhere. It just seems like my comfort is at a standstill right now until all of this stuff has been addressed. And so as the days go by, it just feels like months are going by. But I'm not complaining. I'm happy. You know, all of this stuff is going to be exactly the way we want it when it's done. Who doesn't want a customized house? But this is not for everybody. I can see why people don't want to, you know, tackle renovations, you know, before moving into a house, or even in general. You know, I can see why. And then I ordered these lights that we ended up not really liking, so I have to send them back. Oh my goodness. The lights that were supposed to replace these ones, and they covered these up because of all the sanding and all of the, you know, chemicals and stuff, but we don't even want these, and we didn't like these. I'm a little discouraged about finding lights that we actually will like, because I honestly thought those were the best. So I'm back to square one with finding lighting for the formal living room and dining room. I'm telling y'all, this is overwhelming. A little bit overwhelming. Oh man, it is such a mess in here, but I just got ready. I want to show y'all my outfit. Okay, these Fashion Nova jeans I always wear. I just love them so much. I'm gonna wear them until they fall apart. And this top I got from JCPenney's. Don't look at the room, Lord have mercy. My makeup and stuff. So my hair is just a wash and go with the flexi rods in the front and all that. They didn't get a chance to really dry because I was on the move so much. Yeah, that's about it. Like I said, I always wear these jeans, so I wear these like once a week. I love these jeans. I gotta find some others that fit this good because I love them. So I got Nene and Stephanie coming with. We're waiting on the Uber. Stephanie's gonna meet us over there. So we are headed to the Creme of Nature Hair Color Crush event in Chicago. So let's go.
You better sing it.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, ain't that nothing.
Okay.
The DJ out on Tidal don't even have a single Aretha album. I'm like, man, what kind of DJ are you? When were you born?
Yeah, it's been so long since I've been here.
I've never seen a pretty woman in my life. Is she a model?
She is.
Thank you.
No.
Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me and her.
Oh, yes, here we go.
Okay, cool.
You've got to. I've never seen anybody do it. My wife will be jealous.
You met a celebrity.
Yeah, this guy.
Chicago shenanigans.
Get out.
There's no way you can get by without these pretty.
Hello, how you
Thank
doing?
you so much.
You all right?
She's so modest.
Cocktail ticket.
Perfect.
Girl, he was gonna ask for your autograph, girl.
Or number one.
You should have been like, yes, my name is Erica Badu.
It's on his ring though. See here.
Crown, gorgeousness, and looking at the wonderful.
Did I just hear my name?
The light color was really going to brighten. To tip her toes. Dip her toes.
Hi. Good. How are you?
See ya.
You too.
Thank you so much for coming. Oh my gosh, they'll be so happy to hear you. Created an intentional grown-up effect, and we did that with our lightest blonde, and we did that with the caramel brown to create the dimension.
Natural. And then I had to develop like, wait, no, she was completely dark before. Now I'm like frosted.
Oh, this was super exciting. So a beautiful color, which is the.
We on a healthy hair journey, or we have.
Tequila the great. Hi. How are you? How you doing, Kylie? I've been doing good. This is how we thankful. Where your ship go?
How do you turn it up?
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerhead.